Hey there, look around behind me, beside me, all over the place. It is snowing. We are on the tail end of a major snowstorm that's hitting southern Ontario. But before I say any more, I want to jump back 24 hours in time. I was here this time yesterday, so you can compare what it was like yesterday to what it's like right now. Okay, let's jump right now, back in time. I'm at Rhododendron Gardens. That is a park on the very west end of Port Credit. It is Thursday, the 7th of February, and as you can see behind me, no snow, nothing at all here in Port Credit. The Weather Network is forecasting a major snowstorm to hit the area sometime later today and lasting for at least a day or two. That means lots of snow coming down to this area. If you look behind me, that's Lake Ontario. Now the storm itself is supposed to hit from across the lake and hit Port Credit dead on from the south, which is very rare because storms normally cross Ontario from the west or the northwest. So Port Credit is supposed to get a lot of snow because of that, 25 centimeters. So as you can see right now, we have no snow at all. Hey, quite a difference, don't you think? Yesterday around 5 p.m. I took my camera out to Lakeshore Road just as the storm was beginning, and this is the video that I shot. Later in the evening, around 8 p.m., I took my camera, went for a walk down Lakeshore Road, and this is what it looked like then as the storm just started to get going. Well, here I am. I'm outside. I'm dressed for the cold, but it's really not that bad to be outside walking around. Now, if you're driving, that's another thing. I took my camera out at 9 o'clock this morning, and here's what it looked like on Lakeshore Road. If you notice today, you can barely tell it's a 4-lane road. From this angle, it almost looks like it's a field. You can't even see pavement. What a difference 24 hours makes. Woo! Lots of snow here today. Oh, it's Thursday afternoon. We have no snow at all here in Port Credit, right along Lake Ontario. But I'm going to save this video. I'm coming back here tomorrow, Friday, and we're going to check out just how much snow comes down in this major snowstorm that we're supposed to have. Okay, that's all for now. I'll be back tomorrow. Well, I'm going to go home now, but you got to remember, today is Friday, February the 8th. That means everyone was supposed to go to work today, and I don't think anyone did. The streets are pretty much lonely out there. I think everyone stayed home. Walking around's not a problem, but driving is a real problem, especially if it was rush hour with lots of cars. So everyone got a long weekend. See the difference 24 hours made? And the funny thing is, we're going to get a warm day coming up in 2 days where all this snow is going to melt. That's living in Canada for you. It's winter. Welcome to Canada. In the wintertime we get snow, and sometimes lots of it, even here in southern Ontario.